Welcome to the Tako Lako Beginner Serbian course. Dobrodošli. In this video, I will shortly describe the course and give you some tips on how to take the best advantage of it. This course consists of 6 parts. The first is instructions on pronunciation and alphabet, and 5 modules. Each module consists of 7 units, and every unit has a video or 2, where each video is 3 to 13 minutes long. The course is accompanied by a downloadable and printable coursebook and by an audio companion. There are 2 types of the audio files: reviewing audios and key to the exercises. The key is available as a PDF but also audio, so that if you dislike doing exercises, you can simply listen to the solutions in order to internalize the grammar and vocabulary. However, remember that you will achieve the best results if you use all the resources available. Before you start learning, visit the download section. Take a copy of progress tracking sheets and use them to guide and motivate you to move forward. Download the coursebook. You can print the pages and use them as a regular coursebook to do exercises, take notes, and review. Download the audio companion and use it to review. Listening to the audios will help you memorize the words and structures you've seen in the videos. When doing the course, be active. Find a quiet place where you can speak out or read aloud. Whenever you need, click pause and repeat. Also, do not rush through the course. Take time to go back and review. And lastly, should you encounter any kind of problems with the course, do not hesitate to contact me. I am here to support and help you along the way.